I'm going to write quite neatly and test out the handwriting recognition as well. It is a very pleasant writing experience. Let's see how accurate it was. Yeah, it got that perfectly. Let's see if I can add another page. Convert. This is a good feature. And you can then send it to yourself or to any email address you like. You can of course go back and edit and make changes just with the keyboard here. So this is good. The handwriting recognition is very good. The rmarkable is a great tool for writers.